Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be making another meatloaf. We don't have one favorite meatloaf. We try different ones. But this one comes from the deli that I used to work at years ago. I'm going to make a 3-pound loaf, and I'll have all the ingredients in the description below for a 1-pound loaf. Okay, you'll need some burger, some shredded cheese. This was from a block of cheese I just shredded. We used to hand shred everything, chop everything by hand, and made it good. Onion, breadcrumbs, Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, and we have some salt, pepper, and garlic salt, and eggs. And for the topping, we'll be doing some brown sugar and ketchup. Okay, I've got my meat in the pan. I'm going to put in the onion. Now, when we used to make this at the restaurant I worked at, we would mix all this in a bowl and then put it in with the meat. But just for quick and less dishes, we're just going to put it all together. You put your cheese in there, the breadcrumbs, ketchup, the Worcestershire sauce, the seasonings, and the eggs. Now I'm just going to mix this up. I'll be back when I get this all mixed up. Okay, I've got it together here. Now my boss at the time, I've never seen anybody else do this, but if there was any little holes or cracks, you know, you're not supposed to really mess with meatloaf, but she would have us to, you know, mash it until there was no little holes or cracks or anything like that. I'm not going to mess with it too much here, but that's what we had to do then. That's how she made it, and everybody loved it, and it wasn't dry or anything, but it was good. So now I'm going to put this in a 375-degree oven for about 30 minutes or so, and then I'll come back and put the topping on it and finish baking it. Okay, it's been 30 minutes, and all you do is put however much ketchup you want on it. And then just spread it around. Take some brown sugar and just sprinkle it. Then I'm going to put this back in the oven for about another hour. If you're doing just like a pound, maybe another 30 minutes. Check it. We'll put this back in the oven and we'll be back. Okay, here it is out of the oven. We'll plate it up here in just a minute. Okay, there you have it. Doug's gonna do a little taste test.
It's good, folks.
Alright. The recipe will be down in the description. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.